Hey, what's up everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you some great tips and tricks for Blender which you can apply on your ongoing project. This will help you a lot. If you are new to Blender, this will also help you. So to start easy, I make sure to subscribe and like the video and make sure to watch till the end because this will help you out. First of all, we start scaling without scaling. This is very useful. I don't know why I call this scaling without scaling, but I will show you in a minute. First of all, select all your things which you want to scale. If you scale them, they will move apart and also get bigger. To avoid this, just you want to move them apart, go to here and click on origin, select it already. Now if you scale them, they will only move apart but not get bigger. This is very useful trick which you can apply it anywhere. You can scale it on any axis. You can also rotate them if you want. This is very useful if you want to. The second one is sliding. If you have like an object with a loop in the middle, you can easily move this by selecting it and by moving it on their axis like Z or Y or axis anywhere. But suppose if you have an object with a curved shape, I will show you in a minute, like this. So if you want to move that, this will cause some problem because it's not straight and that will not move it. First of all, you will move this up and then move this to the side, which is time consuming and not perfect. To avoid this, just press double GD and move this like this, which will move very efficiently and make the work very fast. You can do this like it any type of curves or any type of shapes. The third one is triangle to rectangle. This is a very big problem when kids come to modelings. You can apply this to your car, character or anything you are modeling. This is a very great tips. You can use it anywhere. First of all, go to select the object you want to change to rectangle. Now press K to use the knife, put it in the center of it and press C to move it vertically, then press C to move it vertically and click there. Move it to the right and you have 4 vertices, here and here. They all are faces, but one thing to avoid, that you should not have a rectangle face because this will cause some problem in shading. So move the vertex which 3 vertices are coming in the line and move one leg down. This is a very great tip, but make sure to you don't have a rectangle face because that will cause some shading problem and materials. The fourth one is hole in object. I will show you how to create a hole like you all do. Something like you will first add a cylinder, then scale it to fix the phi, then add a boolean to the plane and select the cylinder. Now to hide the cylinder and you have a perfect hole, but that's not a correct way because if you apply the modifier, then see you have n-gon which will also create some shading problem, and if you apply some division surface, this will create these type of weird shapes and you cannot move them. So I will show you a quick way to add a plane. Subdivide it 2 times by W, subdividing them 2 times, subdivide them. Now select the vertices, corner vertices and scale them. Now if you want to scale them perfectly, just look to the top left corner there. The perfect scale is 0.75. This will create a perfect circle. Oops, not 75, 0.75. Now you can delete the middle vertex and you have perfect circle with a geometry and add a subdivision surface and you have perfect. You can also move the vertices around quickly, that will not cause any problem. The shade is smooth and you are good to go. The fifth one is using HDRI. HDRI is very useful when you are creating interior or exterior scene. Like if you have a shiny surface, for example, if you have a shiny surface, you will not get the reflection right. You are only seeing a white lamp, the reflection. So just go to word and select environment texture. Add a texture. You can download texture from HDRI Heaven or anywhere else. I will use this HDRI. Now you can see you have a very cool reflections. You can rotate the HDRI or change the location. If you don't want this to render, come into your scene, just go to film and change that to transparent. If you render, it will not be shown in your rendered scene. Alt D instead of Control D. If you have, like I am using a cube for example, but if you have a complex character or card, then if you want to create like 100 of them or 1000 of them, if you duplicate them with Control D, they will eat up all of your memory. So to avoid this, just press Alt D. This will not eat up your memory, but just create a duplicate of it and you can create thousands of them. I will show you, and your computer will not get lag. This can be used in like environments where you want trees or like a traffic road where you want to hundreds of cars in a row and it is eating your memory. So just use Alt D instead of Control D. I will just duplicate it more times, about 100 or something, so you get an idea that it, like you can see here, I have like 500 or something cubes. Now I will also duplicate them on the other way, and you can do this with anything by using Alt D, and that will not cause any problem like lagging or something, and your render will be faster with this. The subdivision with Control. If you want to subdivide, you will do this. Go to modify and add subdivision, and change this to 10, 2, 3, 4. But if you want to make this faster, just press Control 1 for one subdivision, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, and some for 5, Control 5 for 5 subdivisions. You can change this to like directly 3 to 1, 1 to 5, and Control 0 to disable it. This is very quick process if you are working on something complex, and this will help you a lot. Curve instead of mesh. For example, if you want to create wires coming from one object to another, you will just do this with a cylinder, but that will make some problem and you have to change the whole geometry to create a variation of it. So use curve. I will show in a minute. I will use Bezier curve. Rotate it. Now position it. I am using the cubes for example, so just move it around quickly. You can create a cool wires, and too quickly you can just move them around. Go to the curve tab and add depth to it by coming to geometry tab, change the depth, and you have a wire. Now you can duplicate it easily, and you can add variation to it, like just moving around. If you use cylinder, it will be too hard to do it and time consuming, so you can do it easily with the curves. Snap to face, it is my favorite one. Suppose you have a car door like this and you want to duplicate this, so you you will align it, rotate it, and if you want like hundreds of them or thousands of them, it will take a lot of time to aligning it and moving it. The best way to do it is just select the object you want to duplicate, go to snapping and change this to face, and click on center and click on this align rotation. Now if you duplicate it, it will automatically align. You can do this by pressing Ctrl or just enabling that magnet. If you duplicate it, it will automatically align. I am just pressing Ctrl to apply that snapping, and you can see they are just making their own rotation by themselves, and it is very fast. If you have to do it manually, it will take many of your time, so you can make it faster with this. These are the edge loops. You can use this like in cars or anything where you have like hundreds of edge loops, and if you want to delete it, you will just press and delete, and this will create some problem. To avoid this, just I will press Ctrl Z to undo it. Just select the loop you want to delete and select edge loops. This will dissolve that edge loops, and without any creating empty area between it. You can easily delete any edge loops by dissolving edge loops or only edges. They both work. If you have liked the video, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos.